I found this beautiful vintage Prairie dress at a thrift store, and I made the fundamental mistake of trying it on. It's a snug fit, but I'm going to make this my goal dress to fit into. So let's take a look at what needs to be done to have this piece looking its best. The first thing that I'm sure you'll notice is that it looks pretty dull and the buttons need to be reaffixed. Also, in the skirt there are some tears along the side seams and along the bottom ruffle. Nothing I can't fix though. Then as always, there's some good mystery stains to try to figure out. I'm excited though because Nellie's just sent me one of their brand new products, so I'm gonna test it out. This combines their laundry soda and their brightening powder, and oh my goodness, they sent me 9 pounds of it, so let's hope this stuff is good. But I'm excited. This will be the last restoration I do here before I move to my new place. So although it's a bit bittersweet, I'm looking forward to the final results. Now, I am making this video in the middle of the process, so the gown isn't completed yet, but this is where we're starting. My main goal with this gown is to really help it brighten back up again. I have a feeling that it isn't faded and that it's just dulled from pollution, dust, etc. The little details they did on this dress are what really caught my eye, and I hope this turns out great. Be sure to follow for the results, and thanks for watching.